Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw every Harry Potter fan's favorite hat, and that is the sorting hat. So to begin with our sorting hat, we want to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down like this. Then I'm going to kind of make a little bit of a point, and I'm going to kind of bring it back up and then curve down. I want this one to be a lot taller than this one. Next, right here, what you want to do is just draw a line that just kind of curves around, and then it's going to kind of come back up to where we made that point. You can leave some space. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, just kind of go down, and then just kind of curve it up to here. And those are kind of like the eyes. Now, starting right here, I'm going to just draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up to here, and then it's just going to come down like this. Then, right in here, I'm going to just draw a line that's just going to kind of do that same thing, kind of curve up, and then down. And then underneath here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to kind of curve up like this, and we'll kind of connect those. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to make kind of like a little line that just kind of goes out, and then it's just going to kind of come in, and then go out again, and then come back in like this. Kind of like a little bit of a wavy line. Now, I'm going to come down here, and I'm just going to make a few more kind of like wavy, kind of curly lines that just go down, just to kind of show the wrinkles of the hat. And then I'm going to continue this line up a little bit. And then I'm going to start right over here, and I'm going to do kind of the same thing, make some kind of wavy lines. I'm going to get really close to the eye here, and just kind of make some bumpy lines like this. There's really no right or wrong way to do this, just as long as you just kind of make the bumpy lines. Now, we want the hat to kind of be bending over at the top. So I'm going to take this line and just kind of draw it up, and then bring it down like this. And then I'm just going to bring it back up to here, and kind of curve that line up. Then I'm just going to draw a few more little curved lines like this, just for kind of like some wrinkles where it's bending. Now, right across here, you just want to draw kind of like a little bit of a wavy line to connect these. And then the next thing is we want to draw the brim of the hat. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to keep it a little bit bumpy, and I'm just going to go out and then kind of curve down, and then I'm going to curve up to here. Then I'm just going to curve it around, and I'm going to bring it back to here, almost kind of like I'm making a figure 8. Then just starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to run right into here. Now, this is our basic shape for our sorting hat. Then we can kind of add some details. I'm going to add just some little lines that just kind of come in here. I'm going to put kind of like a little like U-V shape over here for kind of the eyebrows. He always looks kind of grumpy. And then right where I have some bumps, you just want to add some extra little lines in there. And they can be going up, down, wherever. And I like to leave some space in between the lines too. And this just kind of helps make it look like it's really wrinkly, it's old. Just kind of put these all over the place. And just kind of fill them in. And by adding these, it'll kind of give it that really old, weathered look. Maybe put some lines underneath the mouth here. And then you can even add some little lines kind of around the eyes too. And then right along the edge of the hat here, I'm just going to put some broken lines. You can see I'm just leaving little spaces in between these. And then I'm just going to put some around here. And then a few underneath here as well. And there you go. There is your drawing of the sorting hat. You can always add some more lines in here and do different things. Just kind of turn it into your own thing. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.